In this video, I'm about to show you how to play with friends on Minecraft Xbox from PC. Start by creating a Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, go to the Microsoft account website. Then click sign in, and after that, select create one. Now enter your email address or choose to create a new Outlook email. Next, set a password and follow the prompts to complete the setup. After that, make sure both players have Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This is the only version that supports cross-platform play. If you're using an older version like Java Edition or Xbox One Edition, you'll need to download Bedrock Edition. You can do this from the Microsoft or Xbox Store. Now launch Minecraft on both Xbox and PC. Here on the title screen, select sign in or sign in with Microsoft account. Then log in using your Microsoft credentials to enable crossplay. Next, go to the Friends tab and select Find Cross-Platform Friends. After that, enter your friend's Microsoft gamer tag and send them a friend request. Once they accept, they will appear in your friends list and you can invite them or join their game. If you're joining a game, look in the Friends tab for joinable friends. Here, select your friend's game and then click Proceed to join. Alternatively, if your friend has a Minecraft realm, you can select Join Realm at the top and enter their realm. Now, if you're hosting, start by selecting Play. Then create a new world or open an existing one. After that, make sure multiplayer is enabled in the game settings. Here, open the game menu, select Invite to Game, and choose friends from your list. Next, send the invites, and once your friends accept, they'll join your game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.